In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass missing image file references in AutoCAD. When you open a drawing and AutoCAD pops up a warning about missing image references, don't panic. That message simply means the drawing is looking for an image file that has been moved, renamed, or isn't available at the path the drawing remembers. Go ahead and continue opening the file. Your drawing geometry will load fine. You'll just see placeholders or blank areas where the image should be. To diagnose and fix it, open the External References or XREF Manager. In the command line, type XRF and press Enter. The palette that opens lists all attached items, including any raster images, along with their status and file paths. This is your control center for references. Look for entries marked as not found or with a similar warning. You'll also see the last known folder location, which helps you understand where AutoCAD expected to find that file. If you have the original image, the best approach is to point AutoCAD to the correct location, select the missing image in the XREF Manager, then use Attach or Reload and browse to the folder where the image actually lives. Confirm your choice and AutoCAD will update the reference path. The image should immediately reappear at the correct scale, insertion point, and orientation because the drawing stores that placement data. If you've reorganized project folders or moved the job to a different drive, just make sure you choose the exact same file name the drawing is referencing. Keeping file names consistent makes reconnecting painless. If the file isn't available, you can bypass the issue and keep working by removing the live reference. With the missing image highlighted, choose Unload to temporarily turn it off. This keeps the reference in the list so you can easily bring it back later with Reload once the file becomes available again. It's a safe, reversible option when you're waiting on project assets. If you know the image is no longer needed, choose Detach. Detach permanently removes the reference from the drawing and eliminates the warning on future opens. Use it when you're confident the image won't be used again, keeping your file clean and lean. That's the workflow. Acknowledge the warning, open the XREF Manager, reconnect the file using Attach or Reload when you have it, or bypass it with Unload or Detach when you don't. With these options, you stay productive and in control of your references. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.